Lesson 11, relating scale drawings to ratios and rates. Example 1. For the following problems, A is the actual picture and B is the drawing. Is the drawing an enlargement or a reduction of the actual picture? For number 1, B is an enlargement of A. For number 2, B is a reduction of A. Enlarged drawings make things bigger. Reduced drawings make things smaller. Here, scale drawing, a reduced or enlarged two-dimensional drawing of an original two-dimensional drawing. When we do scale drawings, we do the scale over the actual. And what we're going to be doing today is we are going to find that our unit rate, our constant of proportionality, is also now our scale factor, or our scale. So now, it says Derek's family took a day trip to a modern public garden. Derek looked at his map of the park. That was a reduction of the map located at the garden entrance. The dots represent the placement of rare plants. The diagram below is the top view as Derek held his map while looking at the posted map. Point V does not correspond with point R. Why? The map is upside down. What is the corresponding points of these scale drawings of the maps? Point A to point R, point V to point W, point H to point P, and point Y to point N. Example 3. Celeste drew an outline of a building for a diagram she was making and then drew a second one mimicking her original drawing. State the coordinates of the vertices and fill in the table. Well, for this one, this is her original number 1. Number 2 is the drawing. So if you count, the first one, her original, the height is 18 units. Her length is 6 units. Then if you count the second drawing, the height is 9 units. And the length is 3 units. So now if we compare the scale to the actual, then what we have here, and we compare our y to our x for each one, the original and the, sorry, that's not what we do. Okay, so our y value of the scale is 9, and the y is 3. The actual is 18, and the x is 6. So if we simplify each of these, we have 1/2, which means our constant of proportionality is 1/2. So now, exercise 1, Luca drew and cut out a small right triangle for a mosaic piece he was creating for art class. His mother liked the mosaic piece and asked if he could create a larger one for their living room. Luca made a second template for his triangle pieces. And here it is. So here we have the original. Here's the original. Here's the drawing. So we have the original is 5. The height is 5. The width is 3. On the second one, our height is 15, and our length is 10. So it says, does a constant of proportionality exist? Well, if we do the drawing over the original, and we do y over x, the drawing, the y is 15, the x is 10, over the height of 5, over 3. We have 3 over 1 equals 10 over 3. So the answer is no, we do not. The ratios do not simplify. To the same number. It says, is Luca's enlarged mosaic a scale drawing of the first image? No. The ratios do not match. Next. On yours at home, you do not have this, so we have to put it in. So you have 9 units here. Down here is 3 units. This is 6 units. And this is 2 units. So it says, is the following picture a scale drawing? So here we have scale over the actual. So we have y and x. So our scale is 3 over 9 and 2 over 6. So here it simplifies to 1/3, and this simplifies to 1/3. So the answer is yes. And this ends our lesson.